Assalamualaikum brother and sister. We are going to learn Durusul Lughah al-arabiyyah, Book 1, Chapter 5. You can read the English translation in our blog. Find the link at video description. There are two segments in this video. First, reading the text, and the second, lesson learned, theory or basic concepts that we will get through the text. I will start read the text. Listen carefully. Akitabu Muhammadin hadha ya Yasiru? La, hadha kitabu Hamidin. Aina kitabu Muhammadin? Huwa ala al-maktabi hunaka. Aina daftaru Ammarin? Huwa على مكتب المدرس. قلم من هذا يا علي؟ هذا قلم المدرس. أين حقيبة المدرس؟ هي تحت المكتب. Now we are in a second segment. I will show you the basic concepts that we will get in the reading text. The first lesson. Hamzah with fathah a is used for yes or no question. Example: Ahada kitab? Is this a book? You can answer Naam, hada kitab. Yes, this is a book. Or La, hada miftah. No, this is a key. The second lesson, Kitabu Muhammadin. Kitab is Mudaf, whereas Muhammadin is Mudaf ilaih. The Mudaf's rules, there is no tanwin, there is no definite article al, so we must say Kitabu instead of Kitabun or al-Kitabu. The Mudaf ilaih's rules, it is in genitive case or majroor. It is majroor with kasrah e. The third lesson. Aina is used for asking a question. The meaning is where. Kitab is singular and masculine. The appropriate pronoun which refers to kitab is huwa. The fourth lesson. Ala maktabil mudarrisi. Ala is harful jar. Maktabi is mudaf. It is majroor because of harf jar ala, majroor with kasrah e. Al-mudarrisi, it is majroor because it is mudaf ilaih. It is majroor with kasrah e. Qalamu man hadha? This sentence is an example of Arabic uslub for asking ownership. The expression in English, whose pen is this? Ya Aliyu. This is an example of Arabic uslub for calling or summoning someone. The expression in English, O Ali. Ya is called harf nida, Aliyu. There is no tanwin after harf nida ya, so it becomes aliyu instead of aliyun. The last lesson, haqibatun, is singular and feminine. The appropriate pronoun which refers to haqibatun is hiya. Finished. We will continue on the exercises in the next video lesson. Stay tuned. Wassalamu alaikum.